What's up, everyone? So today's Friday. We're just hanging out in Ontario, California. We've been checking the load board and had a couple offers. Everything's short, nothing worth taking. So we decided to come over to the Ontario Mills Mall here. We've been hanging out. We've seen the movie The Black Panther. Awesome movie, big thumbs up. Go see it if you haven't seen it yet. Then we just decided to come over here and we are having some Chipotle and just chilling and relaxing and waiting on a load to see if we get anything. So we'll check in with you a little bit later. Everybody, so as you can tell, we didn't get anything today on Friday. I've been looking at the load board all day, and there was a couple things, but nothing really worth taking. So yeah, we just kind of, after we left the mall, we came back to the truck and done a little bit of cleaning, made dinner, and just relaxed. So it looks like we'll be in California for the rest of the weekend. But I just want to go ahead and close out the video here. And just say, I hope you guys have enjoyed the daily vlogs all this week. I really enjoy doing it. You know, a lot of work goes into this, from filming to editing, and plus doing my regular day job of driving and everything. And, you know, I do everything myself. I do all the editing and filming and everything. So I hope you guys really enjoyed it. And I really enjoyed doing it for you guys. So guys, again, thank you so much for watching and subscribing. We really do appreciate it. The AC just turned on. And as always, keep those wheels a-turning. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give it a big thumbs up. And we'll see you in the next video, guys. Take care.